Hello, Nevena. Welcome to the Nordic Data Science and Machine Learning Summit. It's a pleasure having you with us today.
Thank you for having me.
Our pleasure. Before we dive into further questions, can you tell us more about your background and area of expertise?
For sure. I am a data scientist at Shopify. It's a Canadian e-commerce platform. And it's extremely data-driven, and I'm working on data products that are facing our merchants.
Great. So you delivered a session on detecting order fraud for 100K merchants, machine learning at scale. Can you please give us a short recap of that for our viewers?
Of course. Fraud is an extremely big problem. All our merchants are facing it, small and big. And regardless of their size, it's eating up into their profit margins, and it's an extremely both emotionally and financially devastating experience for them. And that's why we have put a lot of work to solve it for them and automatize the whole process to give them an advantage to prevent it before it even happens. We've developed a huge pipeline. We are a very diverse team. It's not just data, it's a lot of engineering and thinking of a product as a whole, and finance is behind it. People observing it, so monitoring what's going on the platform so that we have a backfeed loop as well, which gives us an advantage to put a product for our merchants, to bring them the peace of mind, to save them time, and to let them grow their own business.
Great. So our hyped words today during this summer: data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Can we really differentiate between them?
That's a very controversial question, and this is my take on it.
Okay.
Data science is there to serve the product. So we are trying to solve a real problem, and we are using the tools for it. How you want to call these tools it's up to you. It's what serves the purpose of getting the work done. Is it the data science, which is usually more business analytics? It's crucial. We need to know how the product is doing, what parts of it could be improved, or where we are excelling and why. Is it machine learning? So we are putting some more black box type of an algorithm, or trying to do more sophisticated things to to get an advantage, to get further in what we are trying to solve, or combine a lot of things together. Is it artificial intelligence? So we are trying to do a really abstract work and push it further, even in the terms of applications. None of it is important if we cannot really do it and surface it to our consumers. So data science on its own is meaningless unless it has a purpose.
Perfect. No, I think you've summed up really nice. One final question regarding these hypes that we just mentioned. According to your experience and opinion, what can we expect in the nearest future, let's say in the next year?
Well, I'm sure we will hear a lot of amazing things. Like, the number of applications is growing each day. I think we will also grow consciousness about how we are using them and how reliable they are. So yes, we will see many new applications, but I think we will also get better at monitoring them and really believing in what we are getting. Because no matter how, if you just put things in a model, you'll get an outcome. But what does that outcome mean is something that I'm sure will be questioned very soon, and will give us another advantage or another step up to even get better in the craft we are doing.
Nevena, it was a pleasure. Thank you for being with us today and your input to the summit. Thank you.
Thank you very much.